Claire, I'm sorry.
Sorry.
Yeah, everything you've been going through, and there's me banging on this morning about what you should or shouldn't do. I'm a terrible fiancé.
No, I'm the one that's terrible.
You know what? I love you so much. And no matter what you go through, and no matter what you go through in the future, I'll always be there for you.
Nick.
You know what? And I don't care where you were today. I understand you probably needed some space. I'm just glad you're here now. Let me go sort Robert out. Why don't you take a seat? Bring a drink over. Everything shipshape?
Yeah. Need to grab House White for the cells.
Your fan club, is it?
Just a small section. You know how the oldies love me.
I hope that wasn't aimed at me, Tilsey.
I've got something for you. Chef! I got Robert to knock up your favourite antipasti. And you know the best thing?
It's free.
No carbs. Oh, sorry, I've got to go. My fan club can be very demanding.
You okay?
Of course I'm not okay. I've got one of the best fiancés on the planet and I'm just... Look, I'm sorry, okay, I'm not blaming you. It's just that this afternoon never happened, all right?
Yeah, you already said that.
Yeah, but I'm saying it for the third time now because it's important. It never happened.
Maybe you should have thought that before. I couldn't wait to get my kit off in that hotel room.
Yeah, and after I'd sobered up, I couldn't wait to get my kit back on again, so zip it.
Save a gherkin for me.
Need to get in quick then, I'm starving.
Thanks, Chef. I'm sorry about snapping before. We didn't start the day or the new year on the best foot.
At least for this.
How can it be that you are such a pain in the backside, but I feel like the luckiest man in the world?
Well, that must just be the magic that is me.
That must be it.
I don't know about the luckiest man in the world. I think you're the daftest to take me on.
Bring it on. I love roller coasters, mate.